At Mobio Interactive, we are driven by the mission to provide effective and accessible healthcare to every human. Nowhere is this more important than in the $16 trillion unmet pandemic that is mental illness. Yet current solutions are lacking. Psychotherapy is incredibly expensive and inaccessible to most of the population. Pharmacotherapy has terrible negative side effects, and self-help and wellness tools are typically ineffective if they've even been tested at all. Our solution is clinically validated, use anywhere software that provides effective, personalized therapy. We achieve this through objective, benchmark psychobiometrics captured before and after content delivery. Already, we have developed the first and still the only meditation app that outperforms placebo in multiple randomized controlled trials. In research completed by the University of Toronto and University of Calgary, participants using our meditation app, Mindfulness, for just 3 weeks showed reduced stress, improved mood, enhanced focus, and improved quality of mind following high-intensity exercise. And all of this relative to a control app, so we can rule out the placebo effect. And just recently, we obtained evidence that using Mindfulness is as effective as group psychotherapy for reducing symptoms of mental illness in cancer patients. Part of what makes so effective is the use of computer vision and AI. With nothing more than a 30-second selfie video, can predict an individual's stress with over 80% accuracy. These are the data that are then used to personalize content delivery, content that is already available in 5 languages. We are using to address a $500 billion digital health market, and we aim to own 10% of this by 2035. To get there, we have a 3-step plan. Learn, build, dominate. Step 1. Leverage the B2C marketplace to experiment with designs and amass data for neural network training. Step 2, build relationships with big pharma and health insurers to reach patients faster using drug software pairings and access policyholders with preventative medicine. Step 3, apply what we've learned and built to capture the entire digital therapeutics value chain. Regulated digital medicine, think pharmaceuticals, but with higher margins. So far, we've achieved 250,000 selfie videos in tandem with 10 million psychobiometric data points, 2 signed multinational pharmaceutical companies, 3 signed insurers with over 7 million policyholders combined, and associated revenues exceeding $1 million. This has been made possible by passionate individuals like co-founder Mark Thoburn, an accomplished print and film journalist, and our chief of content. People like co-founder Avidas Muradian, a boy genius and our CTO. They are amongst an incredible team of designers, scientists, engineers, programmers, security experts, and go-to-market strategists. And we have advisors and directors covering all aspects of our business who grow the size of the pie that is MI, while also keeping a close eye on me, MI's co-founder, chief scientist, and CEO, accomplished neuroscientist, former principal investigator of the Zurich Psychiatric Hospital, fellow of the Royal Society of Medicine, and Canada's nominee to the World Economic Forum as a future world leader. It's my job to ensure everybody has what they need to carry out the company's mission. The most similar companies in the market to us are probably Pear Therapeutics, Akili Interactive, and Click Therapeutics. However, we all currently play within distinct medical areas. We are gearing up for a $20 million Series A to support clinical trials, regulatory approval, healthcare sales, and deep tech development to help widen and deepen our technological moat. I invite you to reach me directly at bashara@mobiointeractive.com or via your preferred platform. Thanks for your attention. Together, we can build a future with effective and accessible healthcare for every human.